Hey everybody, Don DeRosa here. First, I want to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving and safe travels if you're going out of town. But before you do that, I wanted to drop this quick note and tell you about an upcoming seminar I have coming up. It's on goal planning, time management, and goal prioritization. If you've never had this type of training, I highly recommend that you attend because it's unlike anything you've ever done. It's probably unlike any other seminar you've ever been to. But let me ask you a question before we get into that. How did your 2019 go? Did you start the year off, get your plan, have your goals, and then accomplish them? If so, congratulations. But if that plan didn't go as you anticipated, it's probably because you got kicked out of there somewhere along the way and you didn't follow your plan if you even had one to begin with. So what we're going to try to do, and I see this a lot, what we're going to do is we're going to give you that plan this year. But before I do that, did you realize, I'm going to give you some statistics, did you realize that the average American wastes 55 minutes a day looking for stuff? 55 minutes. Think about it. Where's my keys? Where did I put that? I can't find this piece of paper. Honey, where did I put this? 55 minutes a day, and I think that's conservative. The average office employee, so if you're a manager and you have employees, the average office employee wastes 1.5 hours per day looking for stuff or unproductive. And I think that's being generous. The typical executive wastes 150 hours a year just looking for things that they can't find. And here's even the worst statistic of them all. Americans in general waste 9 million hours per day, each day, looking for stuff or lost articles. So we're going to try to fix that. I've often said there are three reasons businesses fail: management, marketing, and money. I usually pick the first one being management. That's where you have no direction or lack of focus, poor goal planning, poor systems. We're gonna tackle that one by teaching you how to take action and staying focused. And we're gonna teach you how to stay focused based on written goals that you systematically take an approach about every single day. In fact, most people I would categorize as a dog chasing six rabbits. I mean, think about your day. Have you ever gone to work, spent the entire day that in busy from the minute you get there until the minute you get home, come home, sit down on the couch and go, my God, I'm exhausted, but what did I accomplish today? That's probably because you didn't have a plan to start with. So I categorize those people as, always putting out fires but never really accomplishing anything, or they're a dog chasing six rabbits, really not catching anything. So there's also two types of people out there. There's dreamers and doers. So I have to ask you this question. Which one are you? Are you a dreamer or are you a doer? In fact, the difference is dreamers they never actually get around to doing their goals. They find excuses. There's all kind of things. And they say, I can't afford that. Well, a doer doesn't use excuses. They just go about it. They have written goals. They don't ever say, I can't afford it. They simply say, what do I need to do to afford that? So the question is, which one do you want to be? Do you want to be a doer or do you want to be a dreamer? Dreamers generally start their goals at the beginning of the year if they get there, and by the end, life gets in the way. Doers actually accomplish something by the end of the day. At this seminar, I'm going to give you the 10 most common traits for highly successful people. We're going to actually work on your time management problems. We're going to teach you how to prioritize using the ABC management system. We're going to teach you the A's, the B's, the C's, and what are vital, important, and limited value. We're going to teach you how to be organized. We're going to show you how to use, if you're a paper person, we're going to show you how to use a day timer, how to use paper clips in that day timer so you don't forget anything, so things become urgent and important. We're going to show you how to file, how to organize. However, if you're an electronic and you'd like to take it to the next level, we're going to show you how to use a day planner that's an electronic organizer like an iPad or a Surface or scanners, how I use my watch, how I use the cloud services so I don't have any pieces of paper lying around. Nothing. We're going to show you all the different apps on like planner apps, scanner apps, note-taking apps, priority management apps, goal planning apps, reminders, all the things that you can use to help you throughout your day so you don't forget anything. We're going to show you how to make entries into your notebook so that you can refer to things all over the place so you never lose it. I mean, let me ask you a question. How many people's desks out there have paper stacked to here because they're afraid to put something away for fear they'll lose it, or everything becomes on the surface, so it's a mess? We're going to show you how to keep a neat and clean desk, how we're going to take every piece of paper off your desk and make it a clean and neat desk so nothing is on there, and more importantly, we'll show you how you don't lose a thing and how everything is going to be right at your fingertips, right in the palm of your hand. We're going to give you a daily action plan. We're going to teach you how to plan 15 to 30 minutes a day. We're going to teach you how to use what's called a grass catcher list, which is one place to put all of your stuff. So when you're at home and you're at work and all these things come at you, you put it in one place. That doesn't necessarily prioritize, it just puts it in one place so you don't forget it. Then we're going to show you how to organize all that stuff. I'm going to give you 8 questions to help you prioritize your daily actions so that you make sure that you get the most important things at the top. Okay, we're going to also teach you how to do unifying principles. We're going to take what you think, what you want your best person to be, and then we're going to look at your performance, and then we're going to see how does your performance sync up with the person you want to be. And we're going to teach you how to do that using what we call unifying principles. We're going to teach you how to do all that. We're going to also teach you how to be a balanced goal planner. We're going to teach you how to do SMART goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and trackable goals. Those goals will be the roadmap to your rest of your day. We're going to also teach you how to do fingertip management. So wherever you sit, wherever you spend the most amount of time, we're going to teach you how to get organized and how to have complete access to that instant gratification. So when you need something, it's right at your fingertips. So if that is something that interests you, please click on the link below. I promise you it will be the best seminar you go to ever. We do this once a year. Seating is extremely limited, so please do not wait. Click on the link below and sign up today. I promise you it will be the best seminar you go to all year. And what a better way to start 2020 than being organized and then having a plan going forward. Thank you very much. Have a good day.